you. It's growing on me. This hat is growing on me. Never made a hat before, but I got inspired to do this hat after a meeting I had this week with a um, beautiful women, and this guy came up and he was happy and excited that that I made clothes, but the woman I met with makes things, clothes, even jewelry out of paper. Um, she's a part of this big organization here in New Orleans, Recycle Challenge, and they make stuff out of recycled things. And he came over because we were in a building where he worked, and he wanted a specific type of hat made. She talked about a specific type of hat, and she was like, "Oh yeah, I can do it." He described it perfectly, and while he's describing this hat, pictures are coming to mind. And so I pulled something up on my phone, and he's like, "Yeah, that's it right there." And I'm like, "I was just thinking about that type of hat this morning." Like, there's a beautiful lady here in New Orleans. I think her name is Sunny Patterson. If I'm saying Sunny Patterson, and she had a hat on in a picture that was similar to this, and it was beautiful. I'm like, "Oh, that looks so good. It looks so good on her. Look good with short hair, and it's like a crown to me." But I don't know the name of this type of hat. Is it cuffy, or I don't know the name. This wasn't the specific type of hat the guy was speaking of. It was like this, but kind of different shape. He wanted a kingly hat, as he described it, and the designer I met with, she's gonna make that for him. But I was thinking about something similar before I even went to the meeting, and I was like, when she told me the name of the hat, I looked it up, and I had the picture saved, and I just there's a picture from Etsy. Anyways, did my research, watched the video, and I'm like, I'm gonna make me a hat. And so here is the hat that I made, and I had to. It's not perfect at all. Like, I'm just proud of it because I made a hat. And I have so much beautiful like African print material that, I can make these hats and sell them. But I feel like I gotta get the craft down, hone in on the skill of making a hat or hats like this. Um, but yeah, it's not completely perfectly round, but I did it and I'm proud of my work and it's cute. I messed up on some parts, but I think that I can definitely learn from all the mistakes I made with this hat and make a better hat. Because to me, it's kind of like a crown. It's kind of like a crown. But maybe I should have it come down a little bit more, so make it deeper. But yeah, I'll put my liner on because I gotta go. But I just wanted to share that little, my little DIY project that I did yesterday. I'm gonna be sewing some clothing soon, and prepping for some things. So I just want to show y'all my hat. Do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? It looks strange, but it also to me looks like a crown. So I like it. All right, let me finish my makeup. Bye. Oh, and good Grand Rising, Grand Day, Happy Friday.